When you plan for a trip, you'll try to know the places over there to visit. Before getting a mobile phone, you'll have a look at the specifications. If you have to watch a movie, you'll definitely look into the cast and one review for sure. Likewise, before getting into a company or going for an interview, you have to know who you work for. It is based on this idea. We have a simple concept in interview called knowing your company. So welcome back to Let's Learn for another interesting session, and I'm Vigneshwaran here. So let's discuss knowing your company today. So why should I know my company? Knowing your company highlights two aspects. Number one, it will show your HR that you have done some research or homework about your company. Number two, it also shows that you're really serious about the job and you're not that candidate who applies for 100 different profiles without even looking into the specifics of it. Also, knowing your company helps you answer any one of the following questions. What do you know about our company? Why are you interested in our company? What is the best thing about our company? What attracted you to a company where everything means the same? Knowing your company forms the answer for these questions. So how will I know about my company, or where will I know about my company? You can start with your company's online presence, like the official website, the social media pages, LinkedIn. You'll get to know specific informations like product or service offered, clients, recent developments. Knowing them and mentioning this in your interview will make you a standout candidate. You can also Google search your company's name for news. This will provide you even more new and relevant information about your company. Also, this highlights that you have taken some effort and time to stay updated about your company. Also check Glassdoor to know your company's work culture. You'll find reviews about your company given by different people, including their workers. This will give you a better idea about the way your company works even before getting into your company. Knowing your company will help you align yourself better with them. This is complete only when you understand your roles and responsibilities. Knowing them will also provide a better adjectives, phrases, or power words, which can be used to customize your resume. Yes, these words can be used with career objective, strengths, or skill sets with your resume. This way, you try to fit in your organization better. Also, try cracking interesting information about your company. Every company has got a story to tell, like Nokia from a paper mill to a smartphone giant, Lamborghini from a tractor manufacturer to a supercar manufacturer. Try getting something like that about your company. You can also go searching for an interesting or an uncommon fact about your company. Let's take Cognizant. There are so many facts that is known and available for Cognizant, but the word cognizant has got a meaning. Cognizant means awareness, and I was aware of it only after leaving Cognizant. So how do I answer those questions? Let me take you through some quick instructions for your response. Pick 2 to 3 specific facts about the company you can mention to your HR. Keep it really short and simple. Rather than telling so many things that you're not sure, tell him 1 or 2 simple facts that you're confident. Also, consider ending your answer with a question directed at your HR. This will open the interview into a back and forth conversation. We have a secret here, and that secret is CTC. CTC stands for compliment the company. Try to compliment your company when asked, what do you know about them? You can do this by naming something they are well known for or well respected for. Everybody likes a compliment, and doing this will make your answer a real perfect one. Now, the last thing is to be careful about the mistakes that are bound to happen. Do not say anything negative or your personal opinion about the company, and never say I don't know when asked what do you know about them. Also, do not present your answers in a long essay-like fashion. Short and simple answers works good. Keep this in mind when you go for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep supporting us. Like, share and subscribe. Let's learn.